Hey y'all, today I'm going to make a recipe called garlic pasta, and I was going to make this same recipe, but there was supposed to be chicken breast shredded or cubed up small in it, and I wound up not having the chicken, and I thought, well, this will be really good just as it is. So you can make it like I'm making it, or you can do an extra step and just at the beginning brown up some chicken. Any way you want to go about browning it, in a whole piece or in little pieces, or however to add to the dish. It'll be good either way. So I have gone ahead and boiled this pound pack of thin spaghetti. So I went ahead and did that to have it out of the way, and it's draining. And here's my pan. And to my pan, I'm going to add olive oil. And I'm going to put pretty much, because I want the noodles to get a lot of the garlic oil on them. And have you ever eaten a meal and you just felt frustrated because you really liked an ingredient or liked the dish, but you knew if they'd have just put more sauce or if they'd have just put more garlic, you would have really loved it? And so I'm trying to put a lot of the oil and the butter so that it has plenty. And so I'm putting maybe about half a stick of butter. And we'll cut that down a little bit. Also, too, this is the last of the garlic that I roasted in a video not too long ago, and I'm going to go ahead and put all of that in, and it's time for me to make another recipe of this because we really enjoyed it. So I'm stirring that up. And you can mash those little pieces of garlic if you want to. Excuse me. I'm also going to add some minced garlic. I'm going to add a really big heaping tablespoon. And stir that up. Let the garlic get all mixed up in with the oil. And then I'm going to add some of this garlic. And if you feel like you don't want all these different garlics, you just use what you want. This is so quick to put together. Then I'm going to add some oregano, dried oregano or fresh if you have it. Get that stirred up in there. And the next thing I want to do is add my onion. I want that to get soft and translucent. I'm going to turn it up a little bit. This smells so good. One of the best scents that I have ever smelled is onion and garlic together. I really love it. So I'm going to let that go for just a moment. And while that's going, I'm going to add these tomatoes in there, the tomatoes, and you can use just a whole tomato and cut it in pieces, but I think then it puts too much liquid into the dish, so I'm using tomatoes. And you want these to just kind of blister, not get real mushy. And it won't take but just a couple minutes for the tomatoes and the onion to both get done. And then what we're going to do then is add our spaghetti noodles and eat. This would be very good with a side salad and some garlic bread. So that looks like it's done. And now I'm going to take the spaghetti, it's a pound of the thin, and add it in. And that's a lot of spaghetti to have to cover with the sauce, so I hope I made enough. And Caleb, my son, is going to be our taste tester today. Caleb? Caleb? Here he comes. You want to grab a fork? So let me get him some up. And there's what it looks like. And hold on just a second till I pull the camera up. Here's Caleb. He's getting ready to go to work in a few minutes, and he's going to try it for you.
That's really good.
Is it?
Yeah. You'll have to make that again sometime.
All right. Well, good. What do you think about if it had chicken in it?
It'd be good that way too.
Okay. Well, thank you for tasting for us today. And thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. I hope that you make this for your family and you enjoy it too. So I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.